ARC102 is conceived as an introduction to architectural design through the theme of living. The course guides students from the first abstract exercises to a complete small-scale architectural proposal, helping them understand that architecture is not simply the production of forms, but a process of observation, interpretation, testing, and communication.
This semester, our design project took place in Gusu, the historic heart of Suja. The students were asked to design a small housing scheme on a plot positioned within this dense, ancient urban fabric, a place shaped by canals, whitewashed walls, and UNESCO-listed gardens. The brief asked them to work with the historic context, not against it, to read the existing rhythms of narrow lanes, courtyards, and the balance between solid and void. Architecture here must respect the genius loci, the spirit of place, while reinterpreting contemporary dwelling. It's about finding a spatial balance between old and new, private and shared, matter and emptiness, where the site itself becomes the main generator of the concept.
The methodology is deliberately structured. Students begin by preparing basic material, then analyze the site, define an urban concept, explore housing typologies, manipulate mass and void, and gradually develop their projects through drawings, models, and critical discussion. Throughout the semester, the studio is supported by lectures, tutorials, integrative activities, and the stage, which introduces a more collective and experiential dimension to the course. The main objective of ARC102 is not only to reach a final design outcome, but to introduce students to a way of thinking and working as architects, learning how to read a place, construct an idea, test it through design, and communicate it with clarity and responsibility.
The stage is a very important moment in ARC102. It is not only a workshop week, it is a learning environment designed for the students. During the stage, we connect the first part of the course based on analysis with the next step, the architectural proposal. The main activity is learning from the masters in the age of AI. Students study important architectural projects, redraw them, and try to understand the special ideas behind them. We also have a workshop on architectural representation. Here, students learn that drawing is not only a way to show a project. Drawing is also a way to think, to explore, and to discover architecture. Another important activity is the English workshop, where students practice how to explain their design concepts clearly, using simple words and useful architectural vocabulary. Finally, the stage includes a live performance, the line as an exploration of meaning. Through this activity, students experience the line as a boundary, a connection, and a shared space. All these activities happen inside a temporary installation designed for the students. With simple elements, the space is transformed into a place for working, meeting, presenting, and learning together. In this way, the stage helps students understand architecture not only as an object, but as an experience.
Then we have two interim reviews that kind of punctuate the semester, and that is where moments where void and matter kind of briefly resolve, kind of a break point where the outcome of these accumulated weeks so far are exposed and discussed with an additional tutor coming there as well. So the daily life in this studio is kind of a dynamic between routine and rupture, I would say. Empty space, bodies, lines, ideas filling into together and creating a whole process of the course.
The remarkable production of drawings, models, studies, and process material has now found its proper place in an exhibition designed specifically for the students and their work. This density of material offers a clear image of the entire journey developed throughout the course, from analysis and experimentation to architectural proposal and communication. The final review, with presentations and external guests, is therefore not only an assessment moment, but a celebration of growth. It marks the point where the design process becomes the true protagonist of the learning experience and the foundation for future explorations in the years ahead.